Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. With all the festivity just around the corner, it's that time of the year when we all want to celebrate this beautiful festival season with our loved ones and make it extra special. But let's face it, festival can soon become an energy draining and expensive affair if we don't plan everything carefully. But everyone talks about planning, but no one talks about how to plan, what to plan, where to begin. Today, I'm trying to resolve this side of planning with some fantastic realistic tips along with a shared schedule to help you save stress, save money, keep you on track with all the house cleaning without feeling overwhelmed. Buy best gift at right price for your loved ones and still enjoy the joy of the festival to the fullest. Sounds so good to be true, right? But just stay tuned till the end and follow me along. I'm dividing Diwali planning in 4 weeks, and actually Diwali is just 4 weeks away. I will assign work to some external helps, family members, and I'm not shying away to take help from anyone and everyone. Ultimately, our collective goal is to enjoy Diwali. And by no means I'm trying to be a Wonder Woman. Now all my cleaning, decorating and decluttering of each room is divided into small tasks. And each task is divided among all of our family members based on their capacity and time. Things that we are not able to do ourselves, we are planning to hire external help. We often ignore the fact that how many things we own we don't need, we don't use, but still have it in our imaginary future self or imaginary future situation. And I'm so guilty of that myself. And I have this mindset of what if or so called FOMO that I might need for something for some time. And what if I don't have it? So each year, right before Diwali, we go through all our wardrobes, decor, and furniture pieces which we haven't used or liked having around, and that goes in the declutter pile. In my 4 weeks plan, week 1 is all involved in planning, where we plan all the external help that has to come in the house to get the cleaning job, repair job done, or maybe resetting the wardrobe for the festive season. Things that require stitching, tailoring, altering, dry cleaning. These can be planned well in advance, and actually, as we approach closer to the festival season, all these jobs will be so difficult to get done because of the unavailability of the service providers. And taking those from the list is much more easier, and it gives us the kick to get started for Diwali. Creating a budget for Diwali is very important, but not much talked about. I like to start by setting a budget for the festival, the right plan, schedule for cleaning expenses, set aside a sum of money which I want to spend on gift, decorations, sweets and other festivities. The target is to stick as close to budget as possible. Always lower than the planned budget is my target. That brings me to the topic of creating gift list and wish list. I would highly encourage you to create a gift list or a wish list. Usually at this time of the year, many companies go on sale. So I will highly encourage you to compare prices before making any purchases from different stores, online retailers. Look for deals, discount, use coupons, and find the best value for your money. It's great idea to stock your pantry with all the dry goods which has longer expiries like nuts, dry snacks, berries, and other dry fruits. I also like to stock up my puja items. In my early days of homemaking, puja prep usually had to be a frantic affair. But now, after so many years, I have realized these items can be accumulated or kept in proper places way before the actual function. Because most of them do not have any particular expiry dates, like agarbatti, ghee bati, clothes for gods and goddesses, all can be purchased in advance. This is also a good time to check the old decor first. It's always great idea to reuse decor which are absolutely occasional ones. I am a big fan of DIYs and I will be sharing more DIYs in upcoming videos. Often at times, our old decor just need a coat of paint or little bit of elbow grease. Festive specific furnishing like bed sheets, cushions, table covers, table runners can cost a lot and in many cases can be used only during the particular festival. Instead, I like to run through my stash and analyze how can I mix and match things and repurpose those furnishings around home. I also use some quirky ideas of reusing some of my old dupattas or saris. So my suggestion, think creatively, do simple DIYs. You can also watch my last year decor video, which is by far my favorite decor that I did. I can safely say festival in India means good food. And we all have heard news of food contamination and adulteration during festival time are at peak. So instead of dining out or ordering takeaways during festival time especially, it's always a good idea to prepare it at home. We have shared a number of recipes on our channel to help you curate simple, easy, delicious meals with all meal prep ideas. Like always, I always stress on entertainment, making traditions, planning games, and activities for family during festival time. It really brings everyone together. We will be sharing many more ideas with you in upcoming videos. We all have to remember Diwali is not just about spending money, but it's about celebrating victory of light over darkness. And this year's focus is on true spirit of festival rather than materialism. I hope you found these tips helpful in planning your Diwali on budget. I'll be sharing this entire schedule on community tomorrow. Consider subscribe if you haven't already, because there is a lot more content coming on this channel. Wishing you all a joyful and a prosperous festivities ahead. Stay safe, stay happy. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye-bye.